Hi everyone, welcome to Ekascloud. So today I'll be discussing about the types of backups and how we can backup datas in Microsoft Azure. So there are basically three types of backups. First one is full backups. So as the name implies, it actually covers all the entire data set and from the previous backup, not from the previous backup, regardless of any previous backups. And so since that is the scenario, the cost is very high and also it's very time consuming. The next one is differential backup. So here, if we are making any kind of additions or any alterations to particular data, only that data will be saved as a backup. So only backups that set of data with a change. And next one is incremental backups. So here, this one only backup new data from the past backup. So it actually reduces the time between each backup since the volume is very low. So when it comes to Microsoft Azure, we only have full and incremental backups. So right now I am going to show you how to back up the data in Microsoft Azure using these two types. So for that, I actually created a resource group. So this is the resource group, and under that I created a virtual machine, and then under that virtual machine I created a new disk, and I connected that disk in the remote desktop. And after that I actually add few items or files under that folder. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture this drive or folder with snapshot, and then I'm going to create uh, a disk with this captured data or the backup data, and then I'll update that in the virtual machine. So before creating a data, so basically after capturing all the data in this folder, and before creating a new disk with that snapshot, I'll be deleting any of these items, and then after that I'll create a new data with the snapshot and will attach that to the virtual machine. So once we are attaching that to the virtual machine, the backup we made will help us to regain the folder or the file we deleted in the remote desktop. So let us go back to Microsoft Azure, and here I'm going into the disk created, and then we need to select create snapshot option. All right, so we'll be creating the snapshot under this resource group since the virtual machine is in this resource group, and I need to create a name for the snapshot drive. So let it be snapshot Sputnik, SS Sputnik. And then so here all the process is same, no matter which type of snapshot we are choosing, full or incremental. The only difference is the the type we are choosing here. So other than that, all the process is same. So right now I'm going with the first one, which is full, and I'm going with the zone redundant, and everything else is same here. Okay, so it's complete now. So let's go to the resource. Okay, this is the source, and this is what we created. Now, before creating a disk using this snapshot, let's just go to the remote desktop, and I am going to delete new text from this folder. So that is gone. Now let's again go back to Azure, and I'm going to the virtual machine, disk, and here I'm going to create a new disk with the snapshot. Let's put a name for that. Let it be XYZ and read and write, and here I'm going to edit it. The source type here I'm going to choose snapshot, and once I chose that option, then it comes another box where I need to specify the snapshot, which is the one we created, and then OK. So no change for anything else here, and then save. So the virtual machine is updated now. Now I'm going to delete this one because everything in Sputnik is there in XYZ. So let's go back to the remote desktop. So here we are seeing a red circle or dot, so I need to right click here and put it back as online. Okay, so that is done, and let's see the oh, I'm sorry, I didn't save it. So every time we make some kind of changes here, we need to immediately save it. Now let's see whether there is any change. All right. So the file we deleted is here again, since we created a disk using the snapshot. So this will be the same scenario with the incremental backup also, and that is all about the types of backup in Microsoft Azure. I hope you like this video. Thank you.